In this video, I'm going to make some ice cream with the slow speed juicer, and I've got frozen bananas and frozen berry mix here from this bag, and I'm going to open up the juicer first before getting started and make sure this plug that is normally closing this pulp chute is pulled open. It's a rubber plug that needs to be pulled open when you make ice cream. Lock it back into place. And you want to cut your bananas up into chunks. And you'll see that it comes out the pulp end, and feed them in one at a time. They're hard. You can see just comes out nice and smooth. Ripe bananas work best for this, because they're sweeter, of course. And you see it's coming out pretty smooth here as well, so you're getting collection in both. There's a lot of good ice cream in that catcher there. Try some of these berries. It's nice and smooth over on this side. I've got to have a taste. That is so much better than store-bought ice cream. And I'll let you know, this is the first time that I've actually made ice cream with my juicer, and it won't be the last. This is delicious. You may want to cut your strawberries up before you freeze them, because I don't believe some of these large ones, this large one won't fit. Well, this can be a fun project with your kids. A little taste of the banana. Oh, that's so creamy. Two thumbs up. This is a great machine to do ice cream. Enjoy.